there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So if you are an affiliate marketer, a network marketer who is building their business online using leverage and automation through funnels, technology, email marketing, things like that, or you're a coach who is doing the same, then one of the skills that you have got to develop if you want to get more people to take action on your offers is you've got to get pretty good at copywriting. Now, not all of us are good at copywriting. I mean, I think that some people are more gifted than others when it comes to copywriting, but copywriting can totally be learned. So if you're a beginner, if you want to get people to start opening your emails, start opting into your lead capture pages, write compelling headlines and all that good stuff, you're going to need some resources to get you off the ground to help make you a better copywriter. And that is what this video is all about. So in this video, I am going to share 3 must-have budget-friendly resources for any beginner who is building lead capture pages or any type of digital marketing online. And I'm going to give you some bonus tips from personal experience that can help increase your lead conversions. If you want to know a little bit more about copywriting, especially as a beginner, and some of the resources I recommend for you to get started with, then keep on watching. All right, guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, well, the first thing I want you to know about copywriting is that copywriting is, the end goal of copywriting is to get people to take action, to make sales, specifically in digital marketing. And for all of you who love, perfect grammar, or you learned how to write in school, you've got to kind of throw that out the window, because regular writing that we learned in school is not designed to sell. Copywriting is more about using punchy, colorful, exciting language that will compel people to want to take action. And so, depending on the words that you choose is going to result in the kind of results that you actually get as you go out there and start writing emails and headlines and things like that. Now, I'm a firm believer that there is an ethical way to do copywriting that is not manipulative. And there are people out there that use copywriting, in a manipulative way to make sales. And I'm all about targeting people who actually already want what you have, that you don't really have to convince them, and that you don't overwhelm them with fear of loss tactics and things like that. I like to come from the approach that, hey, this offer is really going to end. This offer is really not going to be here anymore. And so you need to take action. So good ethical copywriting will kind of just nudge someone over the edge to do something that they probably deep down want to do inside anyway, but they just need that little extra push to get them off the ledge. So I just kind of wanted to put that out there as a disclaimer, because I always feel that you're writing, the pen is mightier than the sword, right? And so it's very important that as you do your copywriting, that you think of it in terms of, how can I nudge this person off the fence to do something that they probably want to do anyway? So that's kind of the way that I look at it. I hope that helps. All right, guys and gals, so let me give you 3 resources that I've personally used to help me with copywriting, especially as a beginner. I actually have a journalism background, and I learned this in journalism, and there's a lot of fear tactics in journalism that kind of are in the same family as copywriting. So I have a little bit of a background in writing, but you may not have any background in writing whatsoever, which is why these 3 resources are really going to help you out. All right, so the first resource is absolutely free, and it is taking cues from your favorite business magazines, or even the magazines that are at the grocery checkout. Now, technically, I really don't, purchase tabloids and things like that. They're a little too exaggerated, but we can still take cues from those types of publications. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean. So let me show you how to brainstorm ideas for your copywriting, emails, lead capture pages, even your video titles, okay? The magazines that are already out there are giving us clues into what compels people to buy these publications. So here's an idea. So you can go to Google, and I entered a business magazine covers, and you'll see that Google will also give you related searches. So entrepreneur business magazine cover, design business magazine cover, or you can go into your niche. If you are into, maybe you're a network marketing company, you are into essential oils, or you're into health supplements. So put health supplement magazine covers or fitness magazine covers, things like that, and start studying the magazine covers. So let's just take a quick look at this. See, it says here, startup checklist. Check it off, step-by-step startup guide, right? So those are little pieces of copy that you could find ways to incorporate into your own headlines or ads or whatever, okay? First of all, good copy has like a rhythm. It's almost like a song, like music. Right here it says startup checklist, startup checklist. There's a rhythm to it. So if you know music, or if you're good with timing and stuff, you'll recognize that that's one of the things that makes good copy flow, that it's rhythmic in nature. And that's why you'll see that they use alliteration, and alliteration is like step by step, where they use the sounds like S's that follow each other step by step, and it's rhythmic, you know. So part of it is like feeling, and another part of it is strategy. But if you start to really read some of these headlines, you'll notice that there's a pattern of specific uses of sounds like SS or TT, top 10 tricks or top 10 tips. That's alliteration, and that for some reason it attracts our attention, you know. Here's another one. 7 days to startup. They use the specificity, and people are attracted to numbers, 7, 3, things like that. Top 10 tips, top 7 tricks. Those are good copywriting strategies that you can implement into your headlines and subject lines. So here's another one. Your 7-day plan to getting a home business launched. It's almost poetic, right? If you read that headline, you'll see it's rhythmic. Your 7-day plan to getting a home business launched. There's a rhythm to it. Da 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 da. So I know that sounds a little crazy and a little wacky-do, okay? But if you start kind of trying to get your copy to sound rhythmic like that, you'll see that it's just more, it flows better, and it just, you know, it's more appealing, and people will be drawn to it, okay? So let me give you another example. So let's say you're with a network marketing company and you are selling a supplement. Now, keto is all the rage right now. So I just put in here Women's Day magazine keto, or you can put keto magazines or whatever. So drop 12 pounds a week without saggy skin. Anti-aging keto. Bounce back from anything. Stronger bones in 24 hours. I mean, those are great headlines, right? Here's another one. Fastest keto ever. Maggie lost 251 pounds without feeling deprived, right? So she got a result without experiencing the pain of feeling deprived. So what I would do is I would just study some of these headlines and use them in some of your subject lines in your email marketing, in your lead capture pages, and derive some ideas from these headlines so that you can compel more people to opt into your lead capture pages. Now, the second resource is absolutely free as well, and it is one of my favorites. You're not going to believe that I use this a lot. It is my best friend, and it's absolutely free. And that is a Thesaurus, okay? Say that with me. Thesaurus. All right. It sounds kind of funny, right? Like some sort of like creature from Jurassic Park or something. But no, this one actually helps you brainstorm better words for your copy. So let me show you how to easily use Thesaurus to help you with your copywriting. All right, so let's go to thesaurus.com. You can buy a thesaurus or just use this one online. That's what I do. And so let's say I'm writing a headline and I want to use something a little bit more punchy, a little bit more compelling. So I'll start off with just like a basic word like best, right? And so best is like, okay, it's a great word, but let's see what else we have here. Something like incomparable or paramount or unsurpassed or supreme. Supreme's a really good one. Second to none. So premium, you know, looking for a premium product. So I will work with these, you know, different synonyms to come up with all the things that I need to come up with a good sentence for my copywriting, right? So, instead of, you know, like say the best product, a premium product now has the alliteration in it. So you want to play with it a little bit. Another word is like amazing, right? I was looking for another word to say amazing the other day. So we've got awesome, fascinating, incredible, marvelous, shocking, stunning, surprising, unbelievable, wonderful. So these are really, really great words. So come into Thesaurus. If you've got like a really basic word that you're using to describe something, you put it in here, okay, and see what other words it comes out with. And it even gives you some examples on how you can use the word, all right? So I would definitely take a look at that. Breathtaking. Sometimes amazing is just like everybody uses that word, right? So you want to sound a little bit different, a little bit more like unique. So there, I could have used thesaurus right there. Different, unique, got it? So, breathtaking would be a little bit more exciting than just saying amazing, that everybody uses that word. So hopefully that helps. All right, now the last resource, it's not free, but it's absolutely budget friendly, and that is the BUILDERALL script generator. Now, inside of the digital marketing platform that I use to build my business called BUILDERALL, we have a copywriting script generator. Now, the only thing about the script generator is that you are going to have to sit down and fill out a profile for your avatar, which is the person that you're targeting, so that it can kind of tailor the copy for what it is that you want to do. So let me go ahead and show you just a little bit about this tool and how it will help you create some awesome copywriting for your next project. So all you have to do is inside of our BUILDERALL back office, you're going to click on apps and you're going to go down to the script generator. Now, if you are not a member of BUILDERALL and you want to give BUILDERALL a trial for 7 days, absolutely free, no credit card required, you can come in here and test the script generator yourself. All you have to do is go to www.risewithbarbie.com/BUILDERALL, and that will secure that you are on my digital marketing team, and you will be able to get a 7-day free trial of BUILDERALL, and you can check out some of our tools. So let me go ahead to the script generator really quickly, and I'm just going to give you a brief overview because there's so many things that you can do with the script generator. So what you could do is create a new avatar, and when you create a new avatar, that is basically your target audience. And so you're going to fill out a profile for your target audience. So once you have that perfect avatar already spelled out, right, as a profile, you're going to go and you're going to generate a script. And here you're going to be able to choose scripts, and depending on what you write inside of your profile, it will start to generate copy based on those things. Now, let me just go ahead and show you some of the copy that's in here. So let's say I want to click on internet marketing, and let's say I want funnel scripts. Let's say, for example, you want to do a long form sales letter script. You have a sales page that you're writing. You can come in here, and based on the profile that you wrote out, it will start to generate some copy for you. Now, let me just go ahead and read some of the copy for you. It says, "Dear friend, if you will take a moment to read this entire page, I promise the information here can change your life." And that's no exaggeration. Let me explain. There's a great deal of internet marketing whose goal this year, and this is what I wrote, whose goal is to create more leveraged passive income successfully. And to be honest, very few of them will actually succeed. So it is going to have copy there, but based on the profile that you fill out, it will include your specific like benefits and features, etc., that are congruent with your target audience. So you can come in here, fill out the avatar profile, and then play with the script. It has different kinds of scripts over here that you can check out. Like, for example, affiliate marketing. You can come into affiliate marketing. You've got headline scripts, email scripts, niche scripts. There's all kinds of they even have, let's see over here, they have webinar scripts. They have a webinar squeeze page, webinar reminder email sequence, post-webinar email sequence. So what you'll have to do is, after you fill out the profile, you come in here, let it generate the copy for you. And yes, you're going to have to polish some of it off, but it's going to give you a great foundation to work with so that you can cut down your copywriting time and your copywriting expenses. Because to be honest, if you are brand new, you're probably not in a position to hire a professional copywriter, but with the copywriting script generator, it will help give you that jump start that you need. So if you want to come and check this out, again, you can go ahead and activate a 7-day free trial of Builderall, which is the all-in-one digital marketing software that I use to build my business. And you can go to risewithbarbie.com/Builderall to learn more and test out the tools. All right. And then in continuing with the ethical copywriting kind of theme, right? Let me give you one of my bonus tips. And that is when you are writing emails, right? When you're writing emails to people on your list that you're building, it's so much easier to think of them as your friends. And because the most important thing about building your email list is, a lot of people say the money's in the list, but no, that's not totally true. The money is in the relationship with your list. And if you want to build that relationship with your list, you want to kind of talk to them like, hey, we're at a restaurant, we're just, talking shop, we're just being very casual. And so that's the best way to do it, especially if you're new, if you're not advanced. That is how I would do it. Be authentic, come from your heart. That's why it's great to align yourself with products that you actually believe in and not be too overhype-ish. Really just talk to someone like they're your friends. And that's the best tip that I can give you, because copywriting is a skill that you're going to need to develop. But always remember that at the end of the other side of that email, there's an actual person. So through copywriting, what you really want to do is tell stories, relate to them as if they're your friends, and just gently nudge them to something that they want to do anyway. And yeah, there's times you're going to have to really use a sense of urgency to get people to take action, but make sure that it is truly authentic at the end of the day. So hopefully some of these tips helped you, and inevitably, if you are building your business online, you're going to need tools to help you do that. And if you like that script copy generator, well, we've got way more tools than that inside of our digital marketing platform called Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform, and we can build funnels, websites, do video promotions, copywriting, and all that good stuff. So if you want to learn more about Builderall and how I use it for my business and how you can start using it for your business at a very budget-friendly monthly price, then I'll have a link right below this video so that you can learn more about Builderall and how it can help you build your business. All right, so hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. Anyway, with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.